Our kitchen tip is how to spatchcock a chicken. First off, what is spatchcocking a chicken? That's trimming your chicken so that it lies flat. It makes it easier to barbecue it because it lies flat on the grill, and it cooks faster even if you do it in the oven, and it also cooks more evenly between the dark and light meat. So let's show you how to spatchcock a chicken. It's simplicity itself. You just get a nice chicken and you flip it over so the backbone is up. When the backbone's up, you're going to use some poultry or kitchen shears to cut down either side of the backbone. Now when you get through the backbone, don't throw it out. It's great for making chicken stock out of. Just freeze them up until you've got 4 or 5 of them to make a batch of chicken stock. So now that we got the backbone taken out, just open it up and you'll see that breastbone. It's got to come out, and we got to cut through the wishbone so it lies flat. So we're just going to take a really sharp knife and work our way down under that breastbone. Be careful not to cut all the way through to the skin. Just slowly work your way down, a couple of slices, and the same thing down the other side of it. And when you've got a couple of slices, you should be able to reach underneath and take your poultry shears and just cut along under that bone. There we go. Now that we've cut underneath it, we got to cut through all this bone here to get that bone out. So just put your shears on and give it a crunch. There we go. Makes you look really manly. Huh? Okay, and then cut along underneath and do the other side. There you go. Take that breastbone all the way out. Flip the chicken over, and you have a spatchcock chicken that will lie perfectly fat and will cook perfectly on your grill and even better in your oven. That's another kitchen tip from David Farrell, the Old Fat Guy.